In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn a UI dashboard mockup into a skeleton loading layout in Figma using the Ghost plugin. We're going to keep this simple and practical so you can follow along quickly inside your own file. This process is especially useful when you want to create loading states for dashboards, app screens, or content-heavy interfaces without rebuilding everything manually. Instead of drawing placeholder blocks one by one, you can use a plugin to speed up the job and keep your layout consistent. To begin, go to your Figma canvas and select the dashboard mockup frames you want to convert. Make sure you're choosing the correct frames before moving on, because the plugin will work based on whatever is currently selected. If your design file has several screens or variations, take a second to confirm that only the target dashboard mockups are highlighted. This helps avoid editing the wrong section and makes the result much cleaner. Once your frames are selected, open Figma's Quick Actions menu and run the Ghost plugin. If you use plugins often, this is one of the fastest ways to launch it without breaking your flow. After the plugin opens, look for the floating pop-up overlay panel that appears on screen. This panel is where the conversion options are presented. Inside that pop-up, click the Skeletonize option button. That's the action that transforms the selected UI mockup into a skeleton-style version. In most cases, this means the plugin will replace detailed interface elements with simplified placeholder shapes that mimic the original structure of the layout. It's a fast way to communicate loading behavior while still preserving the overall composition of the design. After clicking the option, give it a moment to process, especially if your selected dashboard frames contain a lot of layers, cards, charts, or nested components. If needed, zoom in and review the output to make sure the skeleton state matches your expectations. The goal here is not visual detail, but a clear placeholder representation of the original interface. That's all you need to do. Select the frames, run the Ghost plugin from Quick Actions, and choose Skeletonize from the pop-up panel. If you're creating prototypes or preparing developer handoff, this can save a lot of time and make your loading state designs much more polished. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.